Hello friends, today we are learning the letter D. Can you say it with me? D, D, D. D is for donut. Yummy, yummy donut. Let's draw it together. So, the step 1 is we'll make a circle, big round circle. This will be the donut's outside shape. You can use the lead or any other round material to make a circle. Now the second step is we will make frosting of the donut. So let's make it. It's very easy. We just have to make wavy lines at the bottom of the circle that will look like frosting dripping down. It looks delicious. The step number 3 is we will draw an inner circle. Now inside the big circle, we'll draw a smaller oval-like shape. This makes the hole in the donut. See? It's starting to look like a donut already. Now the fun part. The last step is we will make sprinkles. It is very easy just to draw tiny rectangle shapes on the top of the frosting. You can add as many sprinkles as you like. Before coloring, we'll make the outline with the help of marker. Now comes the very exciting part, that is coloring part. The step number 1 is donut base. First we will color the bottom part of the donut, that is brown color, that looks like baked bread. Now let's color the frosting. I am using pink color over here, that is the strawberry color, but you can choose any color you like chocolate, vanilla, blue, even you can do rainbow frosting. The last thing we will do is coloring the sprinkles. Sprinkles can be colorful too. Use different type of colors like yellow, green, blue and red to make your donut extra fun. Yes, we completed a super yummy donut. We will write the spelling of donut. D O N U T. Donut. Don't forget to join me next time for another fun letter drawing. Bye bye.